Everyone, welcome back to day 30 of our 30-day Python series. My name is Umi Asma. We are going to start EDA process today. So this is very important process in Python. All right, so let's dive into our Jupyter notebook. Here we go. So this is our Jupyter notebook. All right. The very first thing is you have to import the library. So we'll be writing hashtag import libraries. Enter. So import pandas as PD. Import numpy as NP. Import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Import Seaborn as SNS. Enter. Okay, so here we go. Let us run. So the second step is we have to read the data. Hashtag read data. Okay, so are we gonna read here is df equals pd dot read underscore csv. Okay, open the bracket. So here I have already uploaded the data. So I'll just copy the path from here. Control V. Control V. So here I'll be giving a encoding equals Windows dash 1252. Okay. Let me just close this and run. Here we go. All right. Now the next step is we have read the data. So now let us take a look at first few rows. Okay, so to get the few rows here, we have to write down df dot head. And here we go. And so here we got the first five rows. If you want to see that, so you have to give a df dot head. So here the rows we have here is row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, okay, postal code, city, etc. All these things we have it. See here. Postal code, region, product ID, category, subcategory, product name, sales, quantity. Okay. Sales quantity, discount, and profit. These are the columns. Okay. Then next here we have to write it down. See, if you want to see the last couple of data sets. Okay. So here we give it df dot tail. Okay, so that you can see the at last five rows here you can see it. Okay, so here you can see the 5 rows and 21 columns we have it here in our data set. Okay, so this is done. So now let us start our exploratory data analysis. Hashtag exploratory data analysis. Okay, so to just check the row, column, and count of data. Okay, count of data, we'll have to type df dot shape. Okay, here we go. So here we have 9,994 rows and 21 columns we have it here. Okay, so this is the count of the data. Then next here, if you want to see the names of the table, hashtag columns names. Column names, if you want to see that, then here it will be given df dot columns. Okay, here we go. So see here, all this column you can see it here: row ID, order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, city, state, postal code, region, product ID, category, subcategory, product name, sales, quantity, discount, and profit, all these columns, you can see it here. Okay. Then after that, we'll be checking data types of column or attributes. So here it is a attributes we'll be checking. So df dot d type. Okay. D types. Here we go. See here we have a object also. We have a int. It's a numerical value. Int is a numerical data. The object order ID, serial order ID means object with both the numbers, the categorical and the numerical data. It's there, okay. And here in the sales we have a float. And here the order date and the ship date, it's a date and time. All right. So here we have these things in the data set. So now let us check if there are any missing values in the data sets. Hashtag let's check if there are missing values in the data. Okay. So how do we check that? So here we'll be checking df dot is null. Is null dot sum. Okay. Here we go. We got it. So I think we don't have any null values. There are no missing values. Hence, we can go exploratory analysis part directly. If we had a null values, then we had to remove the null values. Okay. Now we have to check for unnecessary columns and drop them if it is not required. Okay, like a row ID. See, can you see here the row ID? This is it's nothing but it's a series here. Okay, so but the serial number, so we can drop this column. Let us drop the row ID here. So hashtag dropping the row ID. Okay, now df equals df dot drop. So we'll be using a drop function. So here I'll be dropping the row ID. Okay, the same thing you have to copy it here. Control V, comma, access equals 1. Okay, let me just close. Now I'll be just typing it df dot head. Here you can see the row ID is deleted here. Alright. So we just drop the row ID. Now here I'll be giving a df. Here we have a country, right? So country, I'll be giving it Control C, Control V, dot value counts, value counts. Okay, so here the country United States, we have 994, name count, type integer. Okay, so clearly the data is for US country here. Okay, only this is the data is only for the US country, so we can drop the country as well. So column, as we don't need any analysis to be done based on the country. Okay, now let us drop this hashtag dropping the country column. Okay, so how do we drop that? Df equals df dot drop, open the square brackets here, and the country, Control C, Control V, country, close it, comma, axis equals 1. Okay, let me close. Now df dot head. Okay, here we go. See here, the row ID has been dropped and the country is also dropped here. Okay. Then after that, we can analyze the data further in three different ways. Okay, that is the product level. Here we have a product also, right? So product level analysis, customer level analysis, and the order level analysis. Okay, so let us look at that now. So let's look at the product categories available to shop for the customers. Which are the product categories? So here I have a TF category, category. Okay, Control C. How many unique categories we have? Let us check it here. Control V. Now close the bracket. Dot unique, unique. Okay, here we go. Here we have a furniture, office supplies, and the technology. So three categories we have it here. Okay. Then let us check the number of categories, number of products in each category we have it. Okay. So hashtag number of products in each category. Okay. Here we go. Enter DF. The same thing. I'll just copy paste it. Control C, Control V. And here the count we have to write it down. Okay. So value count dot value underscore counts. Open the bracket. Here we go. Run. So here we have in the office supplies we have 6026 office supplies. In the furniture 2121. In the technology 1847. So these are the things we have it here. So now let us check the subcategories. Okay, number of subcategories products are divided. Hashtag number of subcategories products are divided. Enter. So here the same thing I'll be writing it, but unique I have to keep. Control C, Control V. You all will be writing it up and unique. Okay, here we go. We have a three things here. Okay, in the sub. Let us check. So that is for a category. We have to check it for a subcategory. Okay. Yeah, Control C, and here let us give it Control V because it should be the same thing. Only then it'll get an output, or else it will throw an error for you. So let us run here. That's a 17 here. So now I want to check number of products in each subcategory. How many products we have it in the each subcategories. Hashtag number of products in each subcategory. Okay, enter. So here I'll be giving here Control C, the counts, value counts, Control V, but here the subcategory. Control C, Control V. Okay, now let us run here. Here we go. Okay, so in the subcategories we have a vendors, papers, furnishing, home, storage, art, accessories, trades, appliances, labels, tables, envelopes, bookcases, fasteners, supplies, machine, and copiers. Okay, all the things we have it in our subcategories. So now let us see how subcategories are distributed. Okay, to category. Let's plot a bar graph here. So hashtag. Let's see how subcategory Categories are distributed to category. Okay, let's see here. Okay, PLT dot figure fixed size. Let us give a size. Okay, figure size. Fixed size equals 16 comma 8. Okay, now we'll close this. Then let us plot a bar chart. PLT dot var bar. Okay, for subcategory control C, control V. Subcategory. Okay, now comma category. Okay, category. Close this. Comma data equals df. Comma color equals yellow. Y will give it. Okay, enter plt dot show. Here we go. So this might take a few minutes, few seconds to just plot the row. Here we go. This might take a few seconds. Okay, so you have to wait. So here in the x-axis, you can see the categories. We have a technology, office supplies, and furniture. In the y-axis, now in the x-axis, we have a subcategories: bookcases, searches, labels, tables, storage, furnishing, art, phones. Okay, binders. Okay, etc. So all those things you can see. So here, see. Yeah. So by looking at this graph, one can easily make out which category and subcategory to choose when they are looking to purchase a product. So here they can go at the phones, then the accessories, okay, machines and copiers. All right. Now let us plot a pie chart here. PLT dot figure fixed size fixed size equals 12 comma 10. Enter. Then after that, DF subcategory. Okay, so let us just take this subcategory from here. Control C, Control V. Okay, close the bracket. Dot value underscore counts. Value counts. Dot plot dot py AUT auto PCT equals, this is a percentage 1.1 F percentage. Let me just close this here. Okay, from here we have to open it. Then plt dot show. Three dot show. Enter. So this might take a few seconds. Okay. Yes. So here you can see here. Okay. So this is a count. The percentage we can see phones. Okay. It's we have a wide variety in the phones, that is office supplies. Okay. The paper and binders. Can you see here? For the paper, we have a 13.75 7%. And for the vendors, we have 15.2%. Okay, so the store has wide variety of office supplies, especially in the vendors and the papers. Okay, paper department. Then next, okay. So what are we gonna do here is df dot group by subcategory. Subcategory. I'm just DF dot group by subcategory profit comma sales. Okay, but the profit and sales, I'm just calculating the calculating the total profit and sales, how much of sales we have done per subcategory. Okay, and I'm plotting a bar chart here. So PLT dot title, here I've given a title profit, total profit, whatever the profit I have gotten, and sales per subcategory here. Okay, so see in the blue lines you see here, that is a profit we have got, and the accessories, appliances, art. So here, okay, and the orange color you see, that is a sales. All right. So here you can see highest profit is earned uh, in copiers. See here, can you see highest profit has been earned in the copiers, while selling price for the chairs, where selling price for the chair and the phones is extremely high. This the chair, the phone and the chair is extremely high compared to the other products. Okay. Another interesting fact is people don't prefer to buy tables and bookcases from superstore. Hence, these departments are in loss. Okay. So now let us understand the next one here is hashtag number of products available in store. Okay, I want to calculate the number of products available in the store. So for that, here DF and the product name, product name. All right, then close it. Dot N unique, UNIQUE, unique. Here we go. We got it. 18,850 products. We have it here. All right. Now let us give it a counts here. The same thing. Control C, Control V. You can give it, but here we'll give it a value counts. Dot value underscore counts. Here we go. See product name staple, staple envelope. We have it here, and staples easy staple paper. Okay. What we are distributing of top 10 products. So hashtag will create a distribution of top 10 products. Okay. So PLT dot figure, open the bracket, fig size equals, I'm giving 12 comma 10. Okay. Now let's close the bracket. DF, open the square bracket, we'll give it a product name, close the bracket here, dot value underscore counts. Okay. Then here we'll give it dot head of 10 dot plot dot py, AUTOPCT, equals percentage 1 not 1 F percentage, close the bracket here. Okay. Now here we go. Let us give it a PLT dot show. Okay. So we got the output here. All right. See, easy staple paper at 17.5%, staples at 17.55%, staple envelope at 18.3%. Okay, so all those things you can see it here. Then we will be giving a count of subcategory region wise. Okay, hashtag count of subcategory category region wise. Okay, then we'll give it plt dot figure figure figure, then fixed size will give it fixed size, figure size will give it equals 15 comma 8, close the bracket, enter sns dot count plot, then x equals sub underscore category comma hueu equals region 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 comma data equals tf. Okay, let us close now. Then we'll plot plt dot show. Here we go. So here we got it. All right. Central and the east, south, west, central, and the east. Okay. So now here we have to figure out people residing in western parts. So here this is the color for the western part of US tend to order more from the superstore. Okay. So by looking at this data, we can say that. So to understand the data, let us create some new columns like cost, comma, profit percentage. Okay. So here I'll be creating a new columns. Hashtag create the new column. Okay. Enter. Now here df, comma, cost cost, comma, we'll give it equals df sales minus df profit. Okay, sales minus profit I'm giving, and I'm creating a column as a cost column here. All right. So df cost square bracket dot head. Okay. Enter. Here we go. So we have created the cost column here. Now I'm giving df profit with the profit only. profit profit percentage equals df profit divided by df cost. Okay, close the bracket, multiply by 100. Here we go. Now we are going to calculate the profit percentage of 5 product names. Profit percentage of 5 product names. Okay. Enter. df dot ilog. Okay. 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. For 5 values I'm creating it. Close the bracket, comma 14 comma 20. Okay. Now let us close here. Run. So here we go. We got the output here. All right. So this is the product name and the profit here we have calculated. So now let us calculate the products with high profit percentage. Hashtag products with high profit percentage. Okay. Enter. How do we do that? df dot sort underscore values. Okay. Then open a bracket. Here we'll give it a profit, profit, profit percentage, comma, product name, product, product, name, product name. Okay, close the bracket, comma, ascn, ascending, equals false, false. Okay, now let us close dot group by profit, profit percentage, close dot head 5. Okay, here we go. So we got the output here. All right. So retailers selling this phones and the binders. Can you see here? Order ID. See, retailers selling phone and the binders. Okay, binders and papers have got 100% profit in their business. Okay, so here in the category wise, you can see phone binders and the papers. They have got 100% of profit in their business. All right. So this is how you calculate the EDA. All right. For the EDA, so we have completed the all 30-day Python series. So I hope you enjoyed the session. Okay. So just let me know what series do I have to start, whether it should be a Excel or SQL. Please do comment down below. So that's okay. So which one to start first, you can tell me. Okay. All right. So bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.